Boyd Were wa kiama kia ODM niwe mũmbunge mũthure wa gĩcigo kia ũmbunge gĩa Kasipul kaunti-inĩ ya Homa Bay. Were egwatĩire kura 16,819 arũmĩrĩirwo nĩ mũhũrani kĩũmbe Philip Aroko ũrĩa wĩgwatĩire kura 8,476. Ũhotani wake nĩ ũkũngũĩirwo nĩ arũmĩrĩri ake hamwe na ũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM gũkũ akĩranĩra kũrutithania wĩra na andũ othe arĩa magũkorwo makĩnyitanĩra nake, na akiuga tabarĩra ciothe iria ciatiganĩirwo nĩ gũkorwo agĩcitwarithia na mbere.
Hongera the ABC people for conducting a free, fair and transparent election. You know, the people of Kasipul have done their responsibility of electing a good leader. So it's for me now to work for them diligently. I also want to thank my competitors. We had 5 of them here who conceded defeat and agreed to support so that at least we can move forward as a people. And I want to urge everyone in Kasipul, let's embrace each other and let's maintain peace.
It shows that the ODM party remains strong, remains resilient, remains ready. And for those who wrote off ODM because of the passing of Baba, I think they have now seen for themselves that ODM is the largest party south of Sahara and north of River Limpopo, and you know, in touch with its masses. This is also a very big honor to our departed party leader, Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. The people of Kasipul have come back to say thank you to Baba for and honor him even in his absence.
We saw that it was transparent. The elected leader will say that call for unity with all others that have been with you as candidates. You have won, but we need more unity within the Kasipul constituency, because what we saw, this division of some people bringing diversity in the local community.